Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Marvellous Maths. Actually, it might be afternoon when you're watching this and working on it, but I hope you're all okay. We're doing fine here in school. Okay, so today we are going to be practicing adding, which is putting two lots together and making an even bigger lot. Okay, so the numbers always get bigger each time. But let's start with some how many practice. Okay, I'm going to show you some dots and I want you to have a look and see if you can work out how many. There's the number, first one. How many? 3. 2 and a 1. 3. How many? 4. Just like on a dice, it's that pattern, isn't it? The 4 corners. How many? Long way apart, but there's 2. How many? 2 and 2, 4. How many? 4 and 1 more in the middle. 5. Fantastic. How many? 5 again. 2 here. 3, 4, 5. Last one. How many? 6. Row of 3 and a row of 3. 6, or 2 and 2 and 2, all making 6. Brilliant. Let's see if you can remember our number block, friends. Okay, I'm going to show you the number blocks and I want you to call out how many that number block is. Here's the first one. 3. Well done. Second one. 4. Superb. 2. 1, 2. Can you see him? 5. High five. Whoop. All on his own. 1. And our little friend for this week. Who's this? It's number 6. Show me 6 on your fingers. Brilliant. Show me another way. Can you show me another way? Brilliant. Lots of ways of making 6. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a little think about adding then. Okay, adding is when we take 2 sets and we add them together, join them together to see how many we've got. So let's have a look at this first add, where I've got 2 groups. Okay, so this set or group here is worth 2. And this set here is also worth 2. If I add them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the amount that's there. So 2 and 2 makes 4. Now we've practiced this quite a lot in class using little objects, and you can do this with your pasta as well if you want to get 2 pieces of pasta and another 2 pieces and count it on. But today I'm going to show you how we write that down. Okay, so remember that, the 2 and the 2, and I'll show you that how just how we write that addition sum. So let me get my little whiteboard to work on here. And our two little dots there, just to remind you. Let's write the number underneath. So that's 2 there and 2 there. And what we're doing is we're adding them together. That's our special sign that says add. There we go. That's our special sign that says add. So 2 and 2 makes, or is the same as, there's this special sign here called equals, which means makes or the same as. 2 and 2 makes, gosh, have you remembered? 2 and 2 makes all together 4. Okay, 2 and 2 makes 4. Let's try it again on the tray with some other amounts. So let's keep that first 2 on there. And this time I'm going to add on just 1. Okay, so 2 and 1 more. Going to be the next number up, isn't it? 1, 2 and 3. Let's write that down together. Have a go. 2 and 1 makes, what did it make? Of course it did. It made number 3. There. Okay, so 2 add 1 makes or equals 3. Shall we make it a bit trickier this time? Okay, little bit of a bigger number here. Ooh, can you recognise what that one is from its pattern? Yeah, number 4, and then we're going to add to it these 2. So 4 add 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know there's 4 there, so we can count on 4, 5, 6. So 4 add 2 makes or is equal to 6. Let's write that down together. Mums and dads, if you're doing this at home in the children's books, you can put a square, then the add sign, then a square for the answer, then our makes or equals sign, and another square for the answer there. If you want to write some of these out in books to help, that would be brilliant. So our first number was 4. Let's put that in the first box. We had 4. And we added on 2. And all together, that made 6. This number at the end, when we're adding 2 together, will always be a bigger number than these. Okay, because when we add on, the number or amount gets bigger. Okay, so 4 add 2 makes 6. Okay, have a go with your little pieces of pasta. Get 2 amounts together, to 3 and a 2, and count how many they make all together, or put a 4 and a 3, or each time you can just add 1 more each time and find out how many they are. Let's try some adding using our number blocks now. Okay, so let's find our friend number 3. Hello, number 3. Here's number 3. How do we write number 3? Round the tree, round the tree. That's how we write a number 3. Okay, here's number 3, and I would like to add on number, Shy is adding number 2. And when you watch the number blocks programs, they jump on the top, don't they, like this, and make the bigger amount. You can see it's a larger amount now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have indeed made a number. Where's Mr. High Five? Here he is. They've made a number 5, haven't they? Because it's exactly the same amount. So 3 and 2 makes 5. Let's write that one down together. So we had our number 3 number block, and we added on number 2. Sometimes we can call it plus. It just means it's getting bigger. There's more. 3 add 2, or 3 plus 2 makes, what did it make in the end? Number 5. That's exactly it, like that. Okay, number 5. Let's try one more with those number blocks. Who shall we choose this time? Here we go. Who's this one? It's number 4. That's right. Down and across and down one more. That's how we write a number 4. It's number 4. And I'm going to add, oh, it's very busy this morning, number 2. Number 2 joins number 4. And how many do they make now? Look at that number. It's bigger than 4, isn't it? 4, 5, 6. I better check. Is it the same as our number block 6? Of course it is. It is exactly the same. 4 and 2 make number 6. Let's write that one down together. We might have done that one already, but it's good to keep practicing them, because the more you do them, the more you will remember them. So 4 add or plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so have a play with that today, everybody. When you are being busy, you don't always have to write these sums down. You could do lots of practicing by taking 2 amounts and joining them together. You might want to practice some bigger numbers. Why not? That's absolutely fine. I know one of our children at home is playing a little game with a dice and throwing one number on the dice and then throwing another number on the dice and joining the 2 together to make a bigger amount. Who's that? Do you know who you are? I hope you do. Okay, so be busy today. Keep adding together. Keep practicing those numbers. And just before we go, let's have a look at it with the Numicon. Quick practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's a number 6. I can't find my number 6. He's gone missing. Oh no, Mrs. Davy. Oh, he's hiding. Of course he is. He was talking to his friend. Number block 6. Ooh, they were thinking of doubling up. 6 and 6. What's double 6, I wonder? Here's number 6. Right, let's add some of these Numicons together then. 3 and 2. 3, 4, 5. Let's check. Absolutely fits, doesn't it? 5. Next one. 3 and 3. Join them all together. How many does it make? I can hear you calling me. Yes, it's number 6. That's right. Let's fit it on top. Make sure it matches. Fantastic. One more. 5 and 2. 2 more than 5. 5, 6, 7. Oh, we're going to be thinking about number 7 soon. Here's number 7. And yes, it certainly matches. Okay, so play with those adds today. Get your books out. Why not do some adding sums in your book? That would be absolutely amazing. And tomorrow we'll have a little look at drawing our numbers, how we write our numbers. Okay, just to remind you of the patterns and shapes. Take care, everybody. Keep looking for those numbers. Don't forget, you can be watching number block programs or watching Number Time and getting even brainier with your maths. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.